Hello, welcome to Hawkeye Petter Shop. Today we are going to be showing you how to operate and maintain your CIPS core. We'll be going over panel removal, panel cleaning and maintenance, along with panel reinstalling and operating the bypass. Cleaning the panel is crucial, needs to be done every day at the end of the shift when you're done pouring. Most important part is to make sure you're using a power washer to get it thoroughly cleaned. There's brushes in here that need to be cleaned to keep concrete off the steps, and also the wear issues that are in here we need to be cleaned in between here, down both sides. The 4 wear strips on here, they need to be cleaned, as long with trying to clean inside where the cams are to get all the concrete out from when it's running back and forth. Besides maintaining the panel and keeping it clean, we also need to keep the core cleaned. It has 4 wear strips that need to be cleaned. The shafts need to be cleaned. Extra concrete that's been built up in the bottom all needs to be removed and cleaned and washed out. Our vibrators are sealed so water will not affect them. They have a rubber boot that attaches between the 2 vibrators to keep them dry.